In primetime news this evening, poor judgment. The JLP says PNP's selection of Isaac Buchanan for the political arena is a slap in the face of people with morals.
Thousands of taxpayers to benefit from one-off reverse income tax payment of $20,000.
And family man who died from beating at Buff Bay police lockup demanding answers. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, just how much is crime costing Caribbean countries? We'll explore that issue, plus the latest gas prices. Those and more in the Business Day.
Thank you so much, Andrea. Now with a preview of what's to come in sports, here's Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Javon. Well, Jamaican track and field legend Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is on the move once again. Yes, she's about to join a new club. We'll tell you where a bit later on.
Looking forward to that.
And Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. Now, the most important thing that we have in the forecast for this evening is a decrease in wind speeds as we move into the weekend. We still have those isolated thunderstorms affecting sections of western parishes in the afternoons nonetheless.
Thanks, Romain. There's also sports commentary E-Prime and the weather report and forecast in detail later on. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the decision by the 5-time world 100-meter gold medalist Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce to part ways with her coach of 5 years?
You can share those comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.